Guys, today we are going to be doing the recoil on this is ryobi, isn't it? Yeah, ryobi bp42 backpack blower. Any of the parts that I use will be in the description below. It's a number 3 recoil rope is what I'll be using in this. It's a torque 25 to remove it. There's 1 bolt, 2 bolts, I think 3 bolts. There's another one in the back here, I think. Let's see if I can see it back there. One right down. It's hard to see it back there, but right there. There it is right there. And maybe another one over here too. So we're going to pop those 3-4 bolts out. So there was 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The back 2 are a pain in the butt to get to because you got to pry this back to get to it. I actually shoved a 2x4 in this side, got this side in, and then shoved it in this side, got this side out. It is just a pain in the butt to get it out. All right, now we're going to pull out all the old rope. You get all the old rope out of this recoil. It's tangled up in there pretty good, so we're going to take this out. Torque 25 again, counterclockwise. Comes right on out of there. And we'll get the rope the rest of the way out of here. This is great. So somebody's been in here and put this kind of rope in there. There's the old rope right there, that thick white piece. Somebody went in there and wrapped this in there. And that was their repair for this thing. So I got to cut all this out. Genius. All that work just to hack it. I don't know why they didn't just put the right line in there. I'm going to take the new line and stick it up through this hole. And I'm using number 3. Just get up through there, tie a knot in it. Actually, I'm wrong. No, they had that backwards and wrong too. So this goes through this area here, and then there's a notch. Oh, let me get this thing in there. So you're going to get the rope through into here, and there's a notch that goes to the bottom, and that's where the rope gets tied in a knot. So we're going to push the rope through here. Hold on, let me get this lined up. Let me do it with both hands. So through here, and then we're going to go back through this hole. We're going to stab it back through that hole to the bottom, like that. We're going to pull it out of there, tie a simple knot in it. Then we're going to pull this line until that knot is inside this hole right here, like that. Now we're going to line this up to here. So this is going to wrap this way. So we're going to take this line now and we're going to wrap it this direction. Wrapped all the way up. We're going to light the end of this. We're going to cut it off with a little bit of length. We're going to light the end to be able to pull it to a tip. We're just going to slightly melt the end of it. That to keep it from fraying. And then we're going to go ahead and stick this rope through the eyelet like this. Get it set down into place. And turn it clockwise till it falls all the way down in. Then we're going to put our washer back on and our screw and tighten it down so it doesn't fall out. Pull it all the way through. Stick the handle in place like that. Tie another knot. And the handle like that. Now, yes, there is a little bit of slack. We're going to tighten that up now. We're going to pull out this in a loop. Just going to pull it out a little bit. Come here, Robert.
Go.
All right, so we're going to pull this out into a loop. like this, and then we're gonna go clockwise one more turn like that. Pull this out tight, boom. Now it's got all the tension it needs. Slide the recoil back into place. I'll need two hands to do this because we got to push this that way to get it to slide in. 4 bolts on. Again, like I said, I put a piece of 2x4 in so I can get to this and even drop it in there, and then I'll get it tightened in, these 3 tightened in. Then I'll move this over to this side and get that last one in. Just like that, so I can get in there and get this last one in there. Tighten it down. That's it, guys. You're ready to go. Alright, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'll put the rope in the description below. I use number 3. If you want to do any advertising through my channel, send me some t-shirts and some gifts. I'm more than happy to use you as a sponsor. Peace.